niyo mpamvu igihe cyose ndiko ndavuga ijambo hano.
That's why whenever I'm preaching to you,
ndabigisha urukundo kubera urukundo niko ruri muri ibyo bintu byose.
I preach to you about love because through love there is everything.
Kubera niyo mpamvu ushobora kuryama wiyumvira ngo ejo uzoja kwa muganga kuraba abantu.
You may sleep then think that the next day you will go to see the sick people.
Cyangwa uzoja kuraba abari mu mabohero.
Or you will go to visit prisoners.
Ariko umaze kuryama banza kwiyumvira telefone nkeneye kugura amega y'ukwezi wari satani rero.
After sleeping you start thinking about buying megabytes for a hormone.
Abanza kukwereka utundi duprograma tudafite n'akamaro.
Satan starts showing you programs which are useless.
Akamaro kimwe niba dufise ariko abazi yuko ashaka guhagarika bya bindi wari waganiriye n'Imana kubera ibyo wiyumviriye byiza byose ubiganiriye n'Imana.
Satan wants to stop you from thinking about the good things because those good things are from God.
Kwa nta muntu n'umwe Imana yaturagije kutayikorera. Twese yadushizeho kuyikorera ahubwo yatandukanyije ibikorwa nibyo mbona ndababwiye.
We were all created to serve God, only has given us different activities.
Umva cyane ko nakora ibingana gute nziko nawe umukozi w'Imana.
Whatever I can do, knowing that I'm not a servant of God,
nziko nawe umukozi w'Imana.
Knowing that you are a servant of God.
Kubera twese dufise ibikorwa bitandukanye bivanye n'iby'Imana yaduhaye.
Because we all have activities according to your gifts.
Bijya bihumbi 10 Imana guhaye ku munsi menye yuko yagutumye nawe gufasha. Kuba mu gihumbi utegeza kubikoresha mu gufasha mu gukorera Imana.
That 10,000 that God has given you, make sure that you take 1,000 so that you can serve God.
Hano hantu yaba atagwa ngo dufise urukundo nta muntu n'umwe abararugusa muri ahantu hose tuba. Isingiro yose nta muntu abararugusa.
Here in Isingiro district, if we were loving others, no one could sleep.
Nako nategura ka karirimbo ka niyeye.
Get that song ready.
Kubera ibikorwa Imana iduha ibyo niko ndabwira hariho yahaye impuzu nyinshi agomba kuraba mugenzi we ko yambaye ipantaro hariho yahaye ibyo kurya anariba akanaruha kuko bijya byakuruhije nibyo bihesha icubahiro Imana mu gihe wabitanze warabiruhiye hariho yahaye amazi bagomba gufasha abandi no kuvuga ibikorwa by'Imana biratandukanye.
Services of God are different. Some of you have been given food to share with others. Some of you have been given water to share with others. So we have different activities to serve God. I like somebody who walks a lot. I don't like someone who just wait. Anyone who prays.
If you have a small business, it's going to grow up. You want to improve. Kubera iyo usenga Imana ibiti gusenga ariko udasenga kubera wagenda kubone uko benshi ari abantu baza rero bazigoje n'abamafaranga abo bantu rero nimuze kuranza ubwo hazogera igihe guhinduka twose babirukana.
Some of you they come here thinking that they're gonna get money from me. Keep coming, but the things will change one day.
Abantu barantembera urumva bagenda baje gusenga baje kurondera ibyo bajyamo ntacyo ariko umunsi we ndaze ukuri bazokumenya.
Sometimes when I move around people tell me some of your Christians they just come to eat, they don't come to pray.
Sinzigera ndeka cyangwa nirukana waborewe muze mwinywera ariko nimuze murasesagura basha.
I will never send away someone who takes alcohol.
Wewe ikintu kiguha amahoro muri wewe ariko gusesagura konona Imana nibikunda. Urabona nigeze ariko ndabigishe cyo wundi ujya yurinjya nyinshi gushika utura Amangati ni cyane gikomeye.
If you eat a lot of food then you get sick, that is a big sin.
Ni cyane gikomeye kuko uba warengeje urugero bijya warengeje ntwara ubundi yari kubijya nawe agashimira Imana.
It is a sin because you went beyond the limit. That extra food you should have given it to someone else. Praise God a lot. I know that the people I started with, they are now far.
kuko bamwe baratangiye gufashanya ubwabo muri bo.
Some of them, they are helping one another.
Ntibakirindira ngo reka tubanze tuje kwa Erike.
They don't wait to go to the rich church.
Bo nyine ubwabo basigaye bafashanya ko babana.
They just help one another as neighbors.
Jewe rero mfise amafaranga, Imana yampaye amafaranga.
So when God has given me money,
igira 10 n'amashika nagenda nk'abantu bose ntaravye ngo ndayawe.
My tithes and offering I give it to people.
Nagenda nk'ahantu hari abantu benshi baca ndayabagiriza bonyine.
I go where
Imana aho iba yanyoye naho nyine.
I go where many people are and then I just spread that money.
Kubera erega